Why are there not more people talking about keto popcorn? It's easy, tasty, and totally guilt-free. Let's change snack time forever. So, regular popcorn is a no-go on keto, but guess what? You can make popcorn using, wait for it, cheese. Grab some cheddar, slice it into bite-sized cubes, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. The cheese puffs up, gets crispy, and tastes amazing. Sprinkle on your favorite spices, garlic powder, paprika, or even a little chili for a kick. Let them cool so they get extra crunchy. That's it. Crunchy, salty, and totally keto-friendly. Next movie night, you won't even miss the real thing. Try it and thank me later. Hit like and follow for more quick keto recipes.